G500's battery can be charged with 3 different ways. You can use a solar panel to charge it with zero carbon emission, or you can charge it with a car charger cable while driving. And of course, animals who need wall outlet when they are outside. G500 can help with that. It features 2 AC outlet for powering small appliances, including portable refrigerator. You can have fun with your friends while G500 is cooling down your beer. The real-time display allows you to monitor the battery current output power, remaining capacity, let the party begin. G500 will cover all your electricity needs for you, from sound system to lighting, from your mobile phone to laptop. Capacity. And don't forget, G500 is capable of charging lots of different devices simultaneously. Besides AC outlets, G500 also has a quick charge USB-C port, 2 quick charge USB-A ports, 2 DC outlets, and 1 12-volt car port. Inside its compact body, we integrated advanced solar charge technology, MPPT, to optimize the charging, and the battery management system will protect both you and your device. You'll be amazed by how much this powerful unit can achieve.